The India Justice Report is the country's only comprehensive data-based study that ranks states on how they deliver justice. And they assess different elements, be it workload, budget allocation, diversity, infrastructure, and they try to shed light on the systematic gaps and ensure delivery of justice to be more transparent and accountable.
The Indian Justice Report 2025 unveils the state of India's justice system, spotlighting southern states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Telangana as top performers in delivering justice through police, judiciary, prisons and legal aid. The report tells a larger troubling story about diversity and infrastructure. Karnataka leads with a score of 6.29 out of 10, excelling in police and legal aid. Meanwhile, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar lag at the bottom, struggling to bridge systemic gaps.
The report reveals critical shortage of judges and diversity. Only 1 in 6 High Court judges from 2018 to 2023 hailed from scheduled castes, tribes or OBCs. And if you talk about women, they are barely visible on top. Only 1 woman Chief Justice across 25 High Courts. Only in the state of Gujarat, we see more number of women judges in High Court than in the lower courts.
Not a single state or union territory met their own reserved quotas for women in the police force. Women make up only 12% of the force, with 90% stuck in junior roles. Less than 1,000 women hold senior positions nationwide. Jails fare no better, overcrowded at 131% capacity, with Uttar Pradesh prisons packed at over 250%. Under trials dominate, making up 77% of inmates, while medical care remains dire, with 1 doctor for every 775 prisoners.
Within the prison walls, the crisis is acute. With only 25 psychologists for entire country's prisons and with a meager 1.3% of police budget in training, the system is stretched thin. Legal aid is dropping sharply, with spendings having been doubled. Paralegal volunteers and clinics have also reduced in number.
It is a demonstration of institutional bias, where you don't have women.
There's a lot of information that has come out through the India Justice Report, and I think the policy makers and the decision makers should study that if they really want to improve the justice system.
The report calls for sweeping changes, more judges, better training and stronger legal aid. With 45 million cases pending in district courts and prison populations projected to hit 6.8 lakh by 2030. The clock is ticking.
The India Justice Report lays bare a system under strain that demands urgent political will. Although the southern states are leading the way, but for women in justice and the ones behind the bars, the fight for reform is far from over. With camera person Gauri Prasad, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.